everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kay's Kitchen. Sorry, I can't do this. What?
Why? Oh, is it the scarf?
Yeah.
She thinks I look like a beard. When,
Beard
it's not that
mushroom.
bad. I don't know who beard mushroom is. I mean, if you...
So today I will be making a chicken vegetable pie with
Shortcrust pastry, apparently. She means shortcrust pastry,
It's like the
guys.
second time I've tried to say it. Short crust pastry.
Yay,
on
you
top.
got it!
Yeah. Anyway, so I'll be making that today. It's a very wholesome kind of food. It's good for you, it's good for the kids, and obviously it's not your typical Asian style kind of tasting pie. I'm going to head off to the kitchen. I'm going to start me cooking. I'm going to make it all, come back with a plate so Mary, you can taste it and give your honest verdict.
That'll be fun.
See you back in a tick, guys.
So you need a full onion chopped, a few green leaves of spinach, you need 400 milliliters of milk, 40 grams of flour, 40 grams of butter. You need a vegetable stock cube as well. This is the best one. Just a half a teaspoon or less than half of mustard powder. Same with the nutmeg and salt, pepper, and you need a ready-made pastry. Short crust pastry. I've chosen these vegetables because these worked for my family. I am going to put them in the microwave before I add them to the rest of the ingredients. And here we've got 2 chicken breasts cut into small pieces. So to start off with, we're going to boil the chicken breast only for about 15 to 20 minutes as they are small pieces. You don't need to be boiled, overly boiled. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper in this whilst it's boiling. And then drain it, leave it to drain, leave it to the side. You don't need to worry about this too much. Okay, so now we've got the butter in the pan. We're going to melt this. So let the butter melt away. And then we can add the onions. So we want to brown the onions, not overly brown them, but give them a nice colour. Just try and make sure you don't dry the onions out too much. And what I'm going to do is just put the vegetables in the microwave for however long they need to be in, and then I'm just going to leave them to the side because obviously you don't need to worry about them getting cold. They will get cooked into the pie. Now here is half a cup of plain flour. I've given the measurements in grams in the description box. I'm going to add this now to the pan. This is to make our creamy sauce, so give that a stir on very low heat. We can add the vegetable stock cube, and as you can see here, that's what it looks like. So you just want to mix it up, get it all mixed in. And we got to warm our milk, not overly warm it, just lukewarm, so that we can add this to the onions and the stock. So I'm going to add just a quarter of milk and then give it a stir, then another quarter of the milk, give it a stir bit by bit. Just integrate that in, and you see now it will start to thicken eventually, so keep all this on low heat, don't do it on high heat, otherwise you will overcook sauce and it will become quite lumpy. Now add either a pinch or half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Same with the mustard powder, it's completely your choice how much you like mustard. If you don't like mustard, you don't need to add it, but I like flavours, so I'm going to add now the leaves, spinach leaves, some black pepper, and given that a mix, I'm going to add the chicken, give that a stir, and now I will add my veggies. Give that a nice mix, so you can see everything is mixed in nicely. Looks lovely. Okay, now we need 1 beaten egg and our ready-made shortcrust shortcrust, sorry, pastry, keep getting that wrong. And we are going to put that over on the pie dish. So I've poured the mixture of the pie dish. I'm just going to open this up to show you what it looks like. It's all ready for you, so it's easy. And we roll that over on top of the dish. And what you need to do is, or you could be as intricate as you want or as simple as you like. So I'm just going to fold in the sides. I'm going to do that all the way. I'm going to double fold it. So I'm going to do it once like this and then fold it up again, just to give that nice thick edge. So here you can see it's not too wide anymore. I've folded it in twice. And now with the fork, I'm going to push it slightly inwards just to leave a print on there. It just looks nice once it's baked. We're going to do that all the way around the pie. And now with the brush, I'm going to brush the shortcrust pastry on top with the egg all the way around, guys, all over the pastry. You need to do this. This will give it a nice golden colour to your pie. And if you want, if you have any pieces of pastry left, you can put a nice little design in the middle of your pie. I've put a K there. Whee! And that's ready to go into the oven for 30 minutes on gas mark 4. Look at that, it's lovely and golden. It's pie and you can see it piping away at the bottom there. And I love how that cake looks. And this is how it looks, guys. It's amazing, it smells amazing.
Here guys, here's the pie. I've made sure that I've actually added more mixture just so that you guys can see what it looks like. So here it is, and I'm going to pass that over to Samira, and Samira can have a taste of it. Here it is, guys. I've brought the pie over to Samira.
It smells really good considering she said there's no spices and stuff in it. Smells good, kind of smells like a curry. Yeah, kind of, but
it's probably the mustard that I've added in there.
oh, I'm not sure. I don't like mustard.
Try it first.
Okay, I'm just warning you in advance. So my knife and fork are here, but I'm Asian, so my fork goes in my right hand.
Yeah. Bismillah.
Did you just say my Bismillah for me?
Yeah. I'm so used to it with the kids. It's just a natural thing. I'm sure your mums agree.
Okay, so it's got green beans in it as well.
Yeah. So while she's tasting that, guys, you can add whatever vegetables you want. I obviously chose these because this is what my kids are okay with. They will eat without fussing. But if you want to add mushrooms, sweet corn, anything else, any other extra stuff, if you want to add spice to it, you can add spice to it. But I say sometimes just try a bit, isn't it?
It's creamy. Oh, you've put cream in it.
I made my own in this.
You made your own cream?
Yes, with flour, as you guys saw. That it was made with flour. Yes.
You make cream with flour?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Damn.
Lovely dish. Anybody can have this. It's nice for the kids, especially when it's winter time as well. It's quite a nice winter dish.
It's a warming dish. It will warm your cockles. I'm going to say that. I'm not actually sure what cockles are, but wait, unless it's the fish. But yeah,
I've enjoyed this. Enjoyed us watching us and watching me make the dish, and hopefully inshallah I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to click the like button
and subscribe.
Also subscribe. Yes, we
and
need you to subscribe. A lot of hard work goes into this, guys. I'm a one-man band in the kitchen, so
yeah, in the kitchen too.
In the kitchen.
It's a two-man band here.
Yeah, exactly. So some support and love will be lovely, and of course inshallah I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye. Really good.
I like it.